Can a Facebook account really be hacked? I tested it ethically and the results are shocking. Before you scroll, check this. Your Facebook privacy settings might not protect you enough. After installing the app, go ahead and open it. At launch, you'll notice a loading screen with a progress bar at the bottom. Just let it complete. Don't close or switch apps during this step, since the system is setting everything up in the background. Once it finishes, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see several modules like web testing, network scanning, vulnerability checks, email tools, and social engineering. For this purpose, we'll focus on one specific feature. So tap on that. On the next screen you find the section labeled Target Profile. This is where you'll enter either a FB username or a Facebook profile link. For this purpose, open your mobile menu and launch Facebook app. Navigate to any profile you want to analyze here. I'm just using a random example. When you're on the profile page, tap the three-dot menu in the top corner and select Copy Profile URL. Once the link is copied, switch back to the app. Tap the Paste option, and the profile link will automatically fill in the field. Now hit Analyze Target to begin. The app will start scanning, and you'll see a new screen showing the process. At the top, it displays the selected username, and below that, a list of tasks being performed. When the scan completes, you start seeing the actual results. At the top, there's a basic profile overview. This section gathers publicly available information and presents it in a simple, organized format. Now, you'll see a button labeled View Summary. Go ahead and tap that. On the next screen, the focus shifts to security settings and user preferences. Next, tap on the Session Hijack option below. Now we move into countermeasures on this screen. This is where you need to slow down and actually look at what's selected. You can see a list of options here. These checkmarks basically tell the system what kind of analysis it should perform in the next step. Each option represents a different layer. So instead of doing everything at once, it's letting you choose exactly what to include in the scan. After selection, just tap on MITM Attack button below. A console-style interface appears, showing live system activity. This screen shows a list of selectable checks or analysis options. You can tap on Exploitation to view deeper processing logs. These lines represent background operations, things like loading modules, checking configurations, retrieving profile data, reviewing privacy settings, and compiling a report. Don't worry if it looks complicated. You don't need to understand every detail here. Just let the process run without interruption. Avoid pressing back or switching apps, as that could stop the scan. As the process continues, the system will keep updating. You may see different colored text, sometimes blue, sometimes green, indicating different types of operations being completed. Eventually, you'll notice messages like Extract Packing, Reading Files, or Done. These indicate that the system is finishing up its analysis. Right after that, a progress circle will appear again, showing that the final data is being compiled. Once everything is complete, the View Detailed Report button will become available. Go ahead and tap on that. Now this is where you get the full breakdown. On the Detailed Report screen, the information is divided into sections. At the top, you'll see account information, things like username, display name, profile type, and user ID. Below that, there may be a section labeled Contact Information. Alright, so here you can see, there's a hidden password field, and right next to it, there's a small button. If you tap on it, the password becomes visible instantly. Now, this is exactly why you should never rely on hidden fields for security. Let me show you what I mean. Go ahead and open your mobile menu and launch the Facebook app. Now you already have these credentials. Simply enter the username, then type in the password. And just like that, they're in. You can even verify access by opening the profile, and everything loads normally. And yeah, that's the point. This isn't about hacking, it's about understanding how vulnerabilities work, so you can protect yourself better.